Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, animals, sports, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Being buried alive was way more common than you might have thought in the 18th century. You would have to smoke 1,360,000 joints within 15 minutes to overdose a marijuana. Sir Isaac Newton's apple tree still stands today more than 350 years after it helped him to discover gravity. Butterfly drinks turtle's tears. World's smallest monkey is pygmy marmoset, weighing around 124 grams. Graphene is the strongest material in the world. There's a fence in Australia longer than the distance between Seattle and Miami. This is an ant infected with zombie fungus. The world famous Oreo cookie is actually a copy of another cookie called Hydrox. The sound of cash being dispensed at an ATM is fake, produced by a very small speaker to give you the satisfaction of knowing your money is coming. There's a place in Iceland where green fields, a yellow river, a black beach and a blue sea all meets. 70% of the people enjoy old songs because of the memories they have attached to them. Alexander the Great, Napoleon, Mussolini and Hitler all suffered from ailurophobia, the fear of cats. In 2015, a plane made an emergency landing after the crew received an indication of smoke in the cargo hold. According to paranormal experts, the people you don't recognize from your dreams are the ghosts lurking around you when you sleep. More than 13,000 years of human life have been spent watching the Gangnam Style video. Switzerland forbids late-night trips to the bathroom and flushing the toilet paper after 10 p.m. to avoid the noise pollution. Cats bring you dead animals because they think that you are a bad hunter. The entire internet is stored and delivered using 540 billion trillion electrons, which all together weigh around 50 grams or about the weight of one strawberry. This man has a job of testing ice cream. He has tested samples of over 200 million gallons of ice cream. In 1949, an official boxing match between a bear and a man was held. The bear won. In Japan, some restaurant is really private. When you're sitting in a corner where no one sees you, the chef's hands come out and it serves you without looking. Visitors have to climb 354 stairs to reach the Statue of Liberty's crown, and there are 25 windows in the crown. New Zealand proposes smoking ban for people born after 2004. Albert Einstein was tired of smiling on his 72nd birthday. The human heart creates enough pressure when it pumps out to the body to squirt blood 30 feet out. There are only two words in the English language that have all 5 vowels in order: abstemious and facetious. Akon's full name is Aliona Damala Bauga Time Puru Nakalulu Badara Akon. Japanese designer Yasuhiro Suzuki creates giant zipper boat to make it look like he's opening the water. This guy picked up an abandoned dog and nursed it back to health. It turned out to be a wonderful husky. In 2004, farmers in India used Pepsi and Coca-Cola instead of pesticides because they were cheaper and got the job done just as well. This is the device that can permanently replace your heart. Usain Bolt broke world record in 100-meter event with his shoelace undone. There are only 10 female eagle hunters left in Mongolia. Apples are more powerful than caffeine at helping you to stay awake. Had you ever wondered the full form of OK is objection killed? China is the first consumer of snake wine, which is produced by infusing whole snake in grain alcohol. Your body is only 11 months old. Almost every cell in your physical body is replaced every 11 months. The Chinese government encouraged the country's tallest female basketball player to marry the country's tallest man. The child was Yao Ming. This railing on gazebo in Naples has braille describing the view for blind people. The first computer mouse was made in 1964 by Douglas Engelbart and it was made from wood. The first man to survive going over Niagara Falls later died by slipping on an orange peel. When Matt LeBlanc auditioned for the role of Joy Tribbiani, he only had $11. Lip-Bitin triggers a rush of chemicals which reduce anxiety, stress, and increase mood. A shark is the only known fish that can blink with both eyes. Thanks for watching.